Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Oral-B Pro 7500 Power Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. This thing is pretty sweet. I got it because, well, mostly because I'm very serious about my dental care. It's one thing I've always really tried to take very seriously because, you know, I was lucky enough to be born with good teeth. I've never had braces or anything, never had a cavity, and so I kind of want to keep it that way, you know, of course. So I figured, hey, why not get one of the best toothbrushes on the market? Make sure that I can do that. And I actually did talk to my dentist about this one, and they highly recommended this. So I got it, and I really love this thing. It really gives you a good clean in many different ways, and it's just super versatile. Great for all kinds of people, and I'll kind of get into it. So let's start off at the top. You get this great circular design. Essentially what that's going to do is it's going to help to surround each tooth while you are brushing it. So you can either use the cross action, the floss action, or the 3D action heads on this thing. So you can buy different heads for different purposes. Brush heads are extremely easy to replace too, so the investment goes a long way. Once you start using them, you'll realize that. It's a far better clean than I get with a manual toothbrush. That's one thing I will say for sure. The smart ring on here, this is what's little clear ring that's on there. Essentially that's going to light up and it's going to give you feedback in a number of ways. So one thing is it gives you feedback from the pressure sensor that's inside. Essentially, if you start brushing way too hard, the pressure sensor is going to light up and it's going to tell you, hey, stop brushing so hard. Because, you know, it's bad for your teeth, also bad for the head on here. It also acts as a timer. This is, you know, to make sure that you're getting the ample amount of minutes in while you're brushing. You can also use the Oral-B app. This is going to, you know, change colors on the ring if you want to. Just kind of makes brushing, I guess, a little more fun. I don't know. I haven't really done it yet, but you can do that. You do, however, get dental feedback through the Oral-B app, which is pretty cool. And that's thanks to the Bluetooth technology, as you can see, that this toothbrush is equipped with. Essentially what that does is it helps to improve your brushing habits. It implements different dentist recommendations. So it kind of draws the data from your toothbrush, uploads it through that, and then you can get kind of, you know, advice on your own brushing through the app. So, you know, it's really like the best you can get in terms of brushing technology. It's like having a dentist with you, you know, which is pretty cool. There are different buttons on here that do different things, as you can tell. You have your power on button. You have, oh, there you go. So it turns it on, gets it going. And that'll show you, or the button up here will get you to the different types of brushing. So I'll kind of walk through those so you can see. So the feather, essentially, that's for sensitive cleaning. So if your teeth are very sensitive, that's one thing that you're going to want to use. The diamond is whitening. Essentially, the speeds will alternate, and this is to, you know, polish off different stains that could be on your teeth. You have the gum care. Gum care is going to kind of stimulate your gums very gently. And then lastly, you have the feather, which is, the tooth at the top, and that is basically for pro clean. The bristles move faster, it's much more intense kind of cleaning. It comes with a lithium-ion battery, charges pretty fast. It comes with the stand, so the stand is what's going to charge it. So you can use it for long periods of time, even when it's not plugged in. I usually just kind of keep it on the stand, keep it plugged in. I haven't had a problem with it yet. Yeah, so far it's been a wonderful toothbrush. If you're very serious about your dental needs, I would highly recommend it. Again, this is the Oral-B Pro 7500 Power Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush, and definitely check it out. Alrighty guys, take it easy.